Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Honestly, I won't say I'm not really feeling happy this morning, but it is what it is. Looking at my screen right now, I see this is a trade that could have been one of the sweetest trades so far because we actually waited for this trade for roughly 2 weeks now. You know, because this is the first trade of the month of August. You know, on gold actually, but unfortunately, this sort of turned out to be sweet. It ended up turning out sour, and it is what it is. We accept our loss and we move on. If you look at this, our trade, this trade is on good, and gold has been on the upward trend for days now. If you guys notice, this is it here. It's been on the upward trend for this. It broke out of a channel and it has maintained the upward trend. But something happened. It's put back into this region and give a break of this neckline and also with a retest of the neckline. Now, when we retested this neckline, normally I don't just this kind of trade. I don't usually just camp in. I use what they call limit buy, or rather limit sell on this particular one. I place my limit sell at this spot and I expect it to come and tap in. And what you guys notice, it's actually tapped into my limit sell. This was where I placed my limit sell here at this spot. And what do you do? It came to this place, tap into this zone, and it's still going my direction. Now, this trade was actually going smoothly until you get to this particular spot and the market ended for the day, which was yesterday. Now, when the market was about to close, I had this open match. I just take this profit or not because one thing I know about gold is that most times when the trend is like if it's going opposite the trend, if your trade is supposed to trend, most times when the market closes, the open of the next market always tend to have a different change of direction. But I just let me just hold on to it, because consider what is at stake. Though currently this trade actually made more than one is to four is to reward, but it's supposed to be one is to nine, one is to 10 there about so. So I let me just hold on and see what can happen. And guess what, guys? When the market opened, it shoot up, came down here, and what happened? It's still going up. And I don't know they end up losing the trade this morning. They feel bad, like I feel bad because it hot, like really, really hot because I could have like it wasn't that I could have just taken one is to four is to one. It's not bad, but at the same time, no regret. It is what it is. So I just end up losing it. I know some people come to my DM tell me that I could have. Everybody opinion is right. In this particular niche that you can't tell someone that you are wrong or you are doing the wrong way. You are doing the right way. Depends on if you favor us, that kind of thing. So it is what it is. I just can't run my losses and I move on. So that was it on good, and I just hope that next trade can be a sweeter one. Though on the next trade, I'm actually looking at something which is let me show you guys what I'm looking at on the next trade. As you guys can see, I did not really spot this on time. I didn't really spot this on time. Let me clear it so I can show you guys clearer. I didn't spot this on time. As you guys can see, there was another channel here which is started, and this the place it kicked us out rather. It's the reverse side was actually in the second leg of that channel. As you can see, this is the channel here. This was where it was my market close. It formed this leg, and I was sleeping. I was like, wait, I would have seen this thing. I mean, if I saw this now, would have maybe the market this thing wouldn't have not wait on because I'm a half got out of the trade. And so I'm just waiting for it to get to the upper side of the channel. Let's see what's gonna happen. So that is it on good, and it is what it is. Nothing special.